Okay, speak into the mic, you magenta bear. Give us the confession of what happened in the driveway. We're recording you. Tell us.
Hold on, CSS Man. Florida is an all-party consent state. We disable audio when legally necessary. Leave the cute bear alone.
I'm sorry, Bear. You're free to go. You guys stay safe and secure.
So what we're saying is my camera can't just record everyone's conversations.
Exactly, not always. Video and audio are treated differently under Florida law. Recording sound can have additional legal restrictions. Many security cameras come with microphones built in. If you're installing cameras around your home or business, it's important to know when audio recording may or may not be appropriate.
So that's why we check every camera before we leave.
Exactly. We configure each system based on the location and your needs, including audio settings when necessary. A properly installed security system protects your property while helping you stay on the right side of the law.
Got it. So you're free to go now.
Yep. That was a great video we did earlier just for kicks, but here's the legal explanation.
Excellent. You guys stay safe and secure.